tb60, quite windy. First flight, little warm up. Let's see how I manage. Spectators, ready to watch the crash. Right, here we go. First flight. Ah, oh, come on. Yeah. Yeah, ha ha ha. Ah? Alright, coming into land. Oh, and they all walked off. They must have got bored. I know, I was behind you most of the way. Alright, first flight in the wind. Looks like I've got a canopy bit come loose. Yeah, did. But fortunately, nothing dodgy happened. I've got a crack there. I need to sort that out with a bit of fiberglass. I've got at home fiberglass matting, some epoxy or something. Anyway, first flight. Right, Kraken 580. With Mark at the controls because it's too windy and I'm too scared.
And I've just crashed mine.
Mark's just crashed his.
So I need another one to crash. Andre's such a delight, you let me have a go.
But Mark does crash well. He seems to crash without doing an awful lot of damage. When I crash, I'll just completely wipe things out. He had the sense to hit throttle hold. Bit too much gain.
Oh yeah.
It was like taming a stallion. It was like taming a stallion.
God, yeah.
So it looks like we got too much gain on the tail. And if she was a handful for you, then she would have definitely been a handful for me. And we'll probably be over there right now in bits. What was the gain on it, out of interest?
65.
Oh Christ, that is high.
I'm going to go from 60, 55 to 50.
Yeah, remember the tb60? We were down to 40, weren't we? The way that tail was behaving, I wouldn't be surprised if we landed on something like 40, 45. What have you got? 50, 45 and 40?
60, 55 and 50. That was 60. That's 50.
That seems to be behaving itself.
Yeah, that's alright. You want to fly?
Head speed a bit high.
That's fine. You want to fly?
Nah.
No.
No, I'll wait till it's not windy. Oh, alright then, I'll have a go. I don't know what the battery state is.
Hold on. So normal.
I don't know how much. That's all right, I'll just hold on to it.
Sure.
Yeah,
Are you sure?
yeah, I'm sure.
You're
Yeah,
not used to flying like that.
yeah, no, it's fine. I don't like neck straps. They pull them on neck. It's awful.
Are you sure?
Yeah, positive.
Alright. No, I'll move it.
I don't know what the battery's likely to be on. I'll just have a little go back and forwards and land it.
God, I couldn't fly without. The only thing I fly without a neck strap is those little tiny ones. Because they really don't matter if they stay.
Right, she's off the deck pretty quick.
Lovely. Nice Heli. Losing your light now. The way it's gone grey.
Bringing it in now. Okay, now. Oh, that was eventful. GoPro, stop recording.